Let's make it in AutoCAD. Command L, enter, and then click on the screen. Move cursor in required direction and put the value of the line in command box. Repeat this thing and move cursor in your required direction. Now in last, the AutoCAD already detect the last point when you move cursor on this point and just click on the point. AutoCAD complete the line. Let's match the drawing with image and then we check the measurement also. Now we measuring the line, just type DLI in command box and click on first point, then click second point. We get the length of the line. For more videos, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.